If I don't get this complete beginner from 0 to 10K profit in the next 6 months, I will send $10,000 to 10 subscribers on this channel. So here's the idea. Let me find a person who never did dropshipping before and is completely new. I start helping him and he documents the entire journey from 0 to either getting good numbers or failing. He will upload everything in real time on his channel, and my goal would be to get him to really good numbers where he starts to make a shit ton of money with dropshipping, and I get all the credit for it and make a shit ton of money for my program. But just to make it more exciting, if he doesn't hit 10K a month in the next 6 months, I'm actually gonna send $10,000 to 10 people who subscribe to this channel. The real question is, why am I actually doing this? Why am I putting my name on the line plus 100K in gifting subscribers just to do something which I've already done previously with Mikey again? You guys saw how it worked out with him and the entire journey was documented. The answer is, I genuinely really enjoy this kind of marketing. Instead of telling you guys how good my program is, I'm just gonna give you undeniable proof that if you do what I tell you, you make money. That's the main point I want to prove again with this thing. Because guess what? Maybe we just got lucky with Mikey again. Who knows? So the next question I asked myself is, who is it going to be? Which person's journey are we going to document? I thought about that for a couple of days and I think I have the perfect guy. I have this one student, Rasmus, and I genuinely really like this guy. And basically he was telling me about his little brother who basically just finished high school and is super dedicated on starting dropshipping with TikTok Organic. I asked him again, are you sure that this guy is actually serious and dedicated and he's gonna make things work and he's gonna do everything we tell him? He said yes, and because I trust Rasmus, we will start with him. So what's the plan? Step number 1. I'm gonna connect him with my entire team as I do with everybody in the program. I'm gonna create a separate WhatsApp group for him as everybody gets. And in this program, it's just gonna be me and my TikTok Organic expert team. In that WhatsApp group and through a couple of private calls, which also everybody gets, we're gonna teach him how to do product research. He's gonna make a list of 30 products and we're gonna tell him which one is good and which one is bad. We're gonna narrow things down till we have the top product and we're gonna move on to the next step, which is starting to film. Before we get into step number 2, we're gonna repeat this process over and over again, and generally this is not gonna stop. Product research and selecting good products and ordering them, that process is gonna keep going until the end of time. Step number 2 is gonna be teaching them the skill of going viral on TikTok. How do you actually create videos which actually are engaging? So how this whole thing is gonna work is he creates the content, we look over it, and we tell him what to change, what to make better, what's good about it, what's bad about it, and we'll constantly review his content. Once he actually goes viral, we will show him the last step, which is how do you convert? How do you now pick products which are there for specifically converting? And also how do you make a good store and call to actions on the videos? And generally, how do you get from viral to making money? And step number 4 is gonna be putting an affiliate link into the bio of his channel and making a shit ton of money for my program. So to me, this sounds like an amazing plan. So below this video or in the comment section, I've actually linked his very first video, which is just gonna show the first steps of the journey. What you need to do is go and subscribe to his channel right now. Watch the first video and subscribe. You do not want to miss this entire journey. Again, if he does not make this work, we're gonna pick 10 people and just send them $10,000 each. How you enter that giveaway is you subscribe to his channel and you comment on every single video of his. If you do that, you're gonna be instantly qualified to win the money if he doesn't make the money. So go subscribe to Nikolai and I will talk to you soon.